Hi, this is Raja Ketkar. Welcome to 7 Rounds Infotainment. Are you looking for an easy way to save money and avoid the headache of congested highways on your next road trip? If your answer to this question is yes, then you would be happy to know that the solution is already present on your smartphone. With few quick taps on Google Maps, you can set the app to route you around tolls and highways for a smoother and cheaper ride. On both the operating systems, Android and iPhone, getting Google Maps to avoid tolls and highways is really easy. Let's see how to do it. Open the Google Maps app on your phone and enter your start location and end location. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Options and turn on the settings that read Avoid tolls or Avoid motorways. Google Maps will save your preferences and automatically avoid tolls and highways on all your future trips. You may revert to the original settings anytime you wish to. Opting out of tolls is an obvious way to save cash. Skipping highways lets you enjoy a relaxed drive on scenic back roads instead of crowded highways. The trade-off is that avoiding tolls and highways will increase your travel time. But for many of us, a few extra minutes of travel time is worth the payoff for a relaxed and a cost-effective journey. If you like this video, do click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.